Some of my biggest lessons in trading have come from my biggest mistakes. Stay tuned, traders. We're going to talk about that next. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Today I'm talking about a topic I think that I can speak on as an expert, and that's trading mistakes. Some of my biggest lessons in trading have come from my biggest trading mistakes. We talk about a lot of different stuff in the videos. We talk about mindset training, we talk about journaling trades, we talk about having a trading plan, working on trading setups, trading edge, trade management, risk management, all the different things that make up a complete, consistent, hopefully successful and profitable trader. We talk about working on an edge, positive expectancy, learning from other great traders. Today we're talking about learning from your biggest trading mistakes. One thing I love about the market is that every single day there's something new to learn. And I read something, we'll talk about this in one of the other videos in the Kirk report, in that Charles Kirk, I believe his name is, he talked about one of his mentors told him to write something down every single day for the entire quarter and to not miss a day. And just a short little paragraph of what you learned that day in the market. And that's an exercise that I've been working on, and I've always written stuff down, but now more diligently, specifically doing that type of journaling every single day and learning something new. But my biggest learning has come from the biggest mistakes that I've made. Now, I've talked about in the past blowing up small trading accounts, over leveraging, taking trades outside of my trading plan, not using stops, moving stops, impulsive, illogical, revenge trading, trying to make up for losses, all the crazy things that losing traders will do. Now, the odds are already stacked against us as retail traders, but if you are paying attention and studying the market each day and studying where your mistakes are, studying your losses, journaling your trades, even just buying a notebook and keeping notes every single day. But I like what he said. He set a timer for 10 minutes or 8 minutes and write down, just in that short period of time, every single day, write something down, keep it, time it with your smartphone. And the reason why that's a good idea is that it's a very short, unique time frame for you to jot down your thoughts in a clear, simple, and concise manner about what you learned that day. Now, I'm amazed that there's not a day that goes by that I don't see one thing that I can learn to improve my trading. Now, inevitably, I've gone back and studied a lot of my losing trades, studied losing trades that happen, not only the bad ones or the bigger ones, but just a normal trade where I've made mistakes. Not necessarily just had a losing trade, but where I've made a mistake in my preparation perhaps, or in my in terms of my levels, my analysis for the pre-trade plan of the day. But also, I think it's important that you use that to shape and design your approach to the market each day to help hopefully minimize or filter out poor trade choices or poor decision-making processes. And having a written plan in front of you that you can refer to guide you through that process, so that you can hopefully minimize or eliminate some of those bigger mistakes. Now, my biggest trading mistakes have been for various reasons that I just mentioned. And I think it's really great that having something written down each day allows you to anchor back to that, to keep your focus on the task at hand. And that's just purely to execute your trading plan. It's not only knowing what you need to do, but it's also keeping your mindset focused on that task at hand once you're in the live market. But your biggest trading mistakes, whatever your biggest weaknesses are, where you're repeating mistakes, perhaps maybe in your approach or in your if you're taking trades outside of your plan, focus on certain types of trade setups. We talk about screenshotting your trades for your best trade setups, making your notes, knowing and understanding how you would manage that trade through its fruition, and then also summarizing and journaling the results and notes of that trade. That will help you hopefully crystallize your your neuroplasticity even more for focusing on those best trade setups and again minimizing and eliminating your trading mistakes. So what led to those mistakes happening in the first place? Were you bringing some emotional baggage with you to the market? Were you angry? Do you not have a trading plan? Are you just shooting from the hip in terms of your risk management? All the little things that again will help you crystallize your vision and again minimize and eliminate the likelihood of those bigger mistakes happening, but even some of the other little mistakes that can happen as a discretionary retail trader. So it's important, again, just whether you take a note or you type it in. I like to handwrite stuff. I think, not only kinesthetically process that better, but visually, and I'll repeat it to myself. I'll read it as I'm writing it, so I'm getting that auditory processing as well into my brain. But the more you focus on the finer details, in terms of learning from your mistakes, the market is a continuous loop of feedback in helping us learn and become better traders if we take advantage of that. So do the work, set a timer, keep it short and sweet, write something down every day, learn from your mistakes. What are the biggest lessons that you've learned? Where can you hopefully minimize the likelihood of them occurring again? And keep getting better at executing your trading plan and your best A-trade setups. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. If you haven't done so, go to my homepage, get my 7-step daily routine for high-performance traders. Ritualize your approach to the markets like the elite professionals. Just keep forcing the boundaries, goal setting, journaling, working on your vision, sharpening your trading edge, getting healthier, being mentally and physically alert at the screen, focusing on constant progress, and just keep getting better every single day. Have a great trading week, and may the markets go with you. Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High-Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.